Oh yeah, flexing in the Beamer with my drip, baby, my drip. Sorry, I just, I get excited like that. But that's not me. I'm not the type of guy that just wants to try and do stuff like that. I mean, maybe I am, but I didn't mean for that to happen. I don't know about you, but I'm excited about drip. I'm really excited about drip. That's where I'm at right now. Welcome to the channel. If you like the content, please hit that like button, subscribe, and I would love it if you left a comment. Love to start a discussion with you. I'm in this with you guys, learning just like you guys are. And boy, I really am still like so pumped up on drip right now. The price action has really sort of stopped plummeting, and we're kind of, I think we may have hit the bottom, and it's bouncing around a little bit. We got some stuff that's in the works for next week. They're gonna unpause the animal farm. Let's hope, right? And listen, guys, the people that have been in drip for a while and just been watching the price spiral, right? And they have their capital all locked up. They're hearing about these other projects like Splasive and these drip forks taking off, and I get it. It was frustrating. I hope that, there's a little sense of relief that if you did have your money all tied up in the animal farm, and you missed Splasive, you dodged a bullet on that one, and I don't really know what's going on over there. I don't think the developers, well, I don't want to get into it. I don't think the developers tried to rug people. I think this was, I could make a whole other video about it, but I don't want to get into that. What I do want to get into is drip right now. I think could really start gaining momentum. And again, I'm curious to know, like, if you're not in drip, why not? Like, I'd like to know. Like, I'm not a financial advisor. You have to do what's best for you, but I'm curious, like, why not drip? I mean, especially right now, the time is now to get in on something that has a proven track record, that's got so many things that help support the ecosystem, with tons of new launches and partnerships coming out. I mean, this is going to be huge. This is going to be huge. You're going to see, and the other thing too is like, the whales that have reached max payout, a lot of them, what they're doing now is they're airdropping a lot of their drip into new wallets, right? Which helps alleviate the sell pressure, because they're not selling it. They're just creating new wallets with it. And that's what's going to start happening more and more, right? So people that, got in first, there was this whole thing, max payout, it's all this sell pressure. Well, what about the people after them, right? And the people after that. But people are seeing, like, you can just start new wallets, right? Because this is all about getting that 1% daily. Drip has not once missed a payment of 1% to me since I've been in it. I got in I think, December. They have not missed one payment. It just keeps 1% every day. I compound a ton, especially right now. And I think we're going to see a nice little rise in price action. So be prepared, buckle up. See you guys soon.